Now with solar, their payment drops to $165. You can see their 25-year savings is $40K. Now look at the federal tax credit, $13,518. Now this is in Arizona, so Arizona has a little state tax credit of $1,000. Okay. Now I want you guys to see when we add on this roof, right? We're going to add on a $10,000 roof upgrade or a deductible, whatever you're adding onto there. You come here to the top menu and click this adders button here. This is your best friend, right? Whatever's in this adders box is what we can add on to a house. From a NPU, a D-rate, sub panels, load controllers, flat roof, shade structures. So this is for a partial shade structure, right? So if you have half the panels on the house and you need the other half on the shade structure, you do the first one. If you want a full shade structure, you click the second one. This is our roofing button here. So this is primarily what you guys would be using for home upgrades, right? You would type in, let's say $10,000, go to update, and it's gonna update it in real time for you. So now you can see this 25-year savings went down $13,000, right? But look at their bill right now, right? It's still cheaper than what they're paying, right? And that's with that roof upgrade, that $10,000 roof upgrade.
Is this a 25-year term?
This is for 25 years. You can see 25-year, 1.99.
Okay, so $10,000 comes with $3,000.
Exactly, but they also get back that $3,000 in the federal tax credits, right? Because now, look at their here.
Right, but that's still pretty dang good.
It's really damn good, yeah.
Compared to $3,000.
And if you guys saw, the original federal tax credit without the roof on there was $13,000. When we kicked it back with the roof on there, it went up to about $17,000 in federal tax.
$115 a year.